Guys, hi, how are you do guys? How are you guys doing? I hope nonke right ne. Quickly, I just wanna say, Judge Rata, please do dala what you must. Judge Rata, guys, makadale what he must, guys. At this point, asisamcenganga. Judge Rata mkhotleng dala what you must, sir. Dala what you must, and there are so many people before you that thought the day will never come where they are fully exposed and their shende is out there. There are so many people. There is no way that you as a proper judge could fight the way you are for a state case that you have nothing to do with. Why is he fighting for the state case, Judge Rata, guys? Someone make it make sense for me. Makadale le ndafuna uyidala. Dala what you must say so that South Africa izobona ba sikureporta phi ke ngoku, because kuzafuneka kubekho a quick inquiry after that. Imagine being 80 something years old and be going to inquiries. Because Isenzo Meyiwa murder case yona is going to have an inquiry of its own. And it's not going to be nice. For everybody who was involved, it's not going to be nice. This is not even about the accused. No, this is about our country. And if as a paramedic country because what kind of judicial are we going to have if we are going to have judges like Judge Rata Mokgoatleng who behave the way he does in court and get away with it? No, guys. No. It's about time we get up and do something. Not anything illegally, no. It is something that needs to be out there, just like the way the commission of Madlanga Commission is doing. Another commission will be needed, and Judge Rata Mokgoatleng will need to explain why was he behaving this way, because the way he is behaving does not beat the allegations of Tefo. Oh, it does not beat them, Sanalam. It doesn't. That is what is worrisome, okay, when it comes to that.